Hello everyone, how are you all? How are the studies going on, children? So today, are you ready with? Are you ready to do the adjective worksheet? In the earlier two videos, I have already explained about the adjective and its kinds. Now today, let's start with the adjective worksheet. Okay, before starting the worksheet, let's throw some light on adjective definition and its kind again. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word which is used to add something to the meaning of noun, that how the noun looks like or what are the qualities of the noun in the sentence. So in simple words, adjectives are the describing words which describes the noun. Now here are some kinds of adjectives which we have done in the earlier videos. What were the kinds? Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, then is adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, and the last one is the possessive adjectives. I have given a detailed explanation of all the adjectives in your previous videos. If you forgot, then you can again go through the video. You will again recall all the things. Now this exercise is related to the possessive adjectives. What are possessive adjectives? Those adjectives which shows the possession of something, that are called possessive adjectives. Means the thing belongs to whom, that is called possession. Okay, now let's start with the exercise. The husband is walking with dash wife. So in this, a husband is a male, so for male we use his. So the husband is walking with his wife. So here it means that the wife belongs to husband. So we will write his wife. Kanta is carrying dash brother. Kanta is the name of a girl here. So we will write, we use for girls, her. So if girl is there, we will write Kanta is carrying her brother. So it is showing the possession of brother, that brother is of Kanta. It is dash purse. So in this it means that purse usually refers to ladies' purse. So we will write here it is her purse because the purse belongs to her. The tree is losing dash leaves. Now for girls and boys we use his and her. Now for animals and things we use its. Okay, so tree is a thing, so we will write here tree is losing its leaves. Tree is singular here, yes, because it is only tree. If it is written trees, then it will be plural, but here tree is a singular only, so we will write here its leaves. The father is walking with dash son. Father is a male here and he is walking dash son, means he is walking with his son. Where are your books? We will write here your, because we are asking that where are your books, means the books belongs to you. So your is the possessive adjective here and we will write your. The mother is walking with dash daughter. The mother is a female here, so for females we write her. The mother is walking with her daughter. Now the next is the dog has lost dash bone. Like in fourth one we have written tree is a thing, so same as that dog is also animal. So for animals and things we used to write its. So we will write here the dog has lost its bone. So hope you all have understood how you have to fill in the possessive adjectives. Now come to next question. Next question is, pick out the adjectives in the following sentences and say what kind of adjective each one is, and also tell the noun to which it belongs. In these sentences you have to pick out adjectives and also you have to mention the kind, which kind of adjective is this, and also you have to mention tell the noun to which it belongs, because if there is an adjective, it must be belonging to some noun only. So you have to mention that noun also to which it belongs. First one is, I want those mangoes. So we can see we are pointing to those mangoes. So those here is the demonstrative adjective. So we will underline those as demonstrative adjective. And to which noun it belongs? It belongs to mangoes. So mangoes is the noun here. So you underline mangoes and write above that noun, and those, underline those and write above that demonstrative adjective. Sita has a sweet voice. So here what is adjective here? Sweet is the adjective, and we refer to which noun? Voice. Voice is the noun here. And how the voice is? The voice is sweet. So sweet is the quality of voice. So sweet is the adjective of quality and voice is the noun here. Always drink pure water. So water is the noun here, and which quality of water we should drink? That is pure. So pure is showing the quality of water. So pure is the adjective of quality here, and water is the noun here to which it belongs. We should eat ripe mangoes. So ripe is the adjective here, and which kind of adjective? It is adjective of quality, because it is showing the quality of mangoes. Mangoes is the noun and ripe is the adjective of quality. Then next is, I have some money. So what is adjective here? Some is the adjective, and which kind of adjective? It is adjective of quantity, because it is showing the quantity of money, that I have some money, and money is the noun here. So some is adjective of quantity and money is the noun here to which it belongs. Kalidas wrote many plays. You can see here many is the adjective of number. If it is countable, then you can see that if the adjective is countable, then it will come in adjective of number. Okay, and if it is not countable, if it is uncountable, like capacity or like that. Okay, it is not countable, it is measured in quantity. Okay, then it will come in adjective of quantity. But many plays means it can be any number. So many is adjective of number, and to which noun it belongs? It belongs to plays. So plays is the noun here. Look at that bird. We are pointing to some bird, that look at that bird. So that is demonstrative adjective, and the noun here is bird. Eighth one, which book is yours? In this we can see here are two adjectives. First one is the which is interrogative adjective, because it is asking question, and yours is here possessive adjectives, because we are asking that this book belongs to whom. So this which book is yours, which is interrogative adjective and yours is possessive adjective, and the noun here is common, that is book. So book is the noun here to which it belongs. The next one is, these boys must be punished. We are pointing to some boys, that these boys must be punished. So when we are pointing to something, that is called demonstrative adjective. So these here is the demonstrative adjective, and the noun is boys. He spent all the money. Here all is the adjective of quantity. It is showing the quantity of money, that he spent all the money. So all here is adjective of quantity, and the noun here is money. It is belonging to money. Okay children, hope so you have understood how you have to pick out the adjectives and what are the kinds. and how you have to identify that which noun it belongs to. Once I have told you all the answers, now you can do by yourself, and if you want you can note down in the copies, because afterwards it will would be helpful to you when we will start our exercise in the class, because these are the book exercise only which will be there in your books also. So these exercises are related to your book only. So go through the definition and kinds and try to do the exercises. Okay, now one more thing, be at your home, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye bye.